Hey everybody, welcome back to Bones and Brews. So I've been seeing a lot of commercials lately for this limited edition honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich at Chick-Fil-A. I said, you know what? Let's attempt something similar to that, but a smoked version. So here's what we got going. I actually just checked the temps. So I've got some chicken breasts going on the Weber Smoky Mountain. They're right at 165, ready to pull off. I marinated those, let them sit in a brine of just pickle juice for about 2 hours, and then wipe that brine off before I put them on a smoker. Did a little light coating of some Meat Church Holy Voodoo seasoning on those as well. So, and I've got a couple buns warmed up over here on my Blackstone. So we're gonna grab those buns, get ourselves ready to go, start building our sandwich. So we're gonna start with throwing some hot jarred jalapenos here. Now, I got the really spicy ones. You're welcome to get the mild ones if you like, or go without those jalapenos, maybe throw some pickles on there instead. So I got those across the bottom of our sandwich. Let's grab one of those chicken breasts. Oh yeah, my friends, just look how golden brown that is from that brine as well. So we're gonna lay that chicken breast on there. And then next, we're gonna grab some Mike's hot honey. You can tell this one's gonna be spicy. So we'll take some of the hot honey, and we're just gonna give it a little bit of a glaze with that honey. And last but not least, we're going to take the top of that bun. I got some pimento cheese here, and we're going to be very generous with that pimento cheese as well. Give it a good spread. All right, my friends, we'll take that, lay it right on top of that bun, and that is our honey pepper pimento smoked chicken sandwich. All right, now we got it all put together, let's see if we can get a bite of this bad boy. All right, here we go. Time to dig in. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. Wow. That is so good. That hot honey, that pimento cheese, because that chicken breast is so warm, so that pimento cheese is oozing off the side of it there. There's jalapenos on the bottom. I'm gonna be honest, I even love just the taste, that pickle taste that's in that chicken breast as well. That helps keep it moist on that smoker. You just don't want to throw that chicken breast on the smoker by itself. Chicken breast typically will drop pretty quickly on a spaghetti, so you got to keep a pretty good eye on it. But that is absolutely delicious, my friends. I'm gonna have to build the rest of these sandwiches so I can share some with the family. So we'll drop the recipe in the description of this episode. Hopefully you enjoy this one, just this quick copycat type recipe. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.